Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Toledo, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're talking about deck railings and how to choose a style that stays safe and doesn't turn into a constant maintenance project. Railings do two jobs. First, they keep people from falling off the edge of the deck. Second, they frame the space and your view. A good railing system should feel solid when you lean on it and look like it belongs with your home. If it shakes, squeaks, or peels, you'll notice it every time you step outside. There are a few main railing types we see around Toledo: full wood rails, composite rails, aluminum rails, and mixed systems that blend materials. Wood rails can match a wood deck and be cost-effective, but they need painting or staining and regular care. If you don't keep up with that, they can start to crack, warp, or loosen at the joints. Composite railing systems are designed to cut down on that maintenance. You get a more stable material that doesn't need to be painted every few years, and many of these systems are engineered to work with specific types of decking. The posts, brackets, and balusters are designed as one package, which helps with strength and code compliance. Aluminum rails are another strong option. They're light, resistant to rust, and can give you thinner profiles that keep your view more open. We often use aluminum rails on decks that look out over a yard, a pool, or a wooded area because the slimmer lines help the landscape stand out instead of the railing. They also pair well with composite decking for a low-maintenance combination. Whatever material you choose, installation details matter. Rail posts need solid blocking and hardware connections to the frame, not just a couple of screws into a thin edge. The rail height and spacing between balusters must meet code, especially on higher decks. When all of that is done correctly, the rail becomes something you trust without thinking about it. Many modern railing systems are designed to integrate directly with popular composite decking brands like Trex. That means the brackets, post sleeves, and caps are all made to work together and often tested together for strength. Choosing components that are designed to match each other makes it easier to keep everything tight and safe over time. We also talk with homeowners about cleaning and long-term care. Some materials only need simple soap and water now and then. Others require periodic touch-ups. Knowing what you're signing up for ahead of time helps you pick a rail that fits your schedule and patience level, not just your budget and style. If you already have a deck, take a minute today and grab your railing. Does it move when you pull on it? Do any posts feel loose at the base? Those are signs it may be time for repairs or an upgrade, especially if kids, older family members, or guests use your deck often. You can reach our team at 419-574-4799 or visit toughdeckbuilderstoledo.com if you'd like to explore railing options or have us check the safety of your current rail system. At Tough Deck Builders Toledo, we build railings to be something you can lean on with confidence. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Toledo. The right railing does more than finish the look. It quietly keeps everyone safe year after year. We'll talk with you again in the next episode.